We are going to La Sagrada Familia, and later on I will take you to an avenue that not a lot of people know apart from locals, and it's called Passeig De Sant Joan. But yeah, I will take you to La Sagrada Familia when we arrive. It's a very sunny, beautiful spring day. Right, here's the organic place. Here. It's adorable. Look at that cuteness right there. Fresh fruits and vegetables, everything organic. Look at these building, guys. It's so incredible. Even the entrances, everything's so beautiful. Look at this. And nobody knows this avenue. I feel like the main beautiful places in Barcelona are unknown to tourists. It's like they only sell the downtown, medieval, narrow street area, which is actually really, really small. More beauty. From Passeig De Sant. It's so nice here. With the children. Look at this amazing building right here. Little owl. We're walking to La Sagrada Familia now. This is the home place. Beautiful buildings everywhere. And try not to film people. Still at Passeig De Sant Joan, little cafes everywhere, and this cute cafe, little children. It's a very non-touristy place. Like here it's local. You rarely see any tourists. This is amazing. I absolutely love it. And this building looks like a castle. These floors are very cute. Let's go to a close up of this amazing church. Look at how cute all the flowers were spraying, all the little people sunbathing, families, and this incredible place right here that is totally unknown. Let's see if I can make a bigger close up. But it is spectacular, guys. Like, look at how pretty this is. Incredible. Little treasures everywhere. I also like all these little buildings here. Houses. Passeig De Sant. So green everywhere. I love spring. I think Barcelona is so beautiful in spring. We have a real spring here. And look at these building, which is magnificent. Oh, I love the architecture around here. All La Chambre is very beautiful. Soon the trees will have a lot of leaves. Look at the cute. I love it. And that little cafe right there with people being comfortable, having a little coffee or milk. And there's a little granja there, and Granja Petit Goff. It's a Catalan name that means it's like a cafe for afternoons where people go take their hot chocolate and pastries, especially the old people and children after school. Look at how cute it is, everything. Granja Petit Goff. Going to La Sagrada Familia now, enjoying my day with my spring little outfit. Here's a restaurant that is very renowned, very cute, that I really like. Going home now. I'm enjoying the streets around. I have a long time walk right now. I'm a bit tired. I think I will stop somewhere to have a little coffee, and I'll probably take a subway here. I love the streets around here. So cute. Shampoo. Everything's Catalan. No touristy, fake propaganda anywhere. Just as I like it. Look at that little pharmacy right there. So cute. There's a Japanese place. This place is so good. This Japanese restaurant, oh, it's so good. It's a free buffet thing, so nice. That pharmacy there is adorable. All pharmacies here are very old and adorable like this. Wooden, super, super cute. Just a quick the area. And another gorgeous building. Just beautiful.